I want to do you a cartoon vegetarian dinosaur. I wanted to show you Diplodocus, I think it is. It's a cute little dinosaur that I did this morning with a student. So I want to do a different one and I want to show you how to do it. So it's a cartoon dinosaur. And all you need, pencil, paper. Let's go. I am going to start. Like, subscribe and share, and then let's all get drawing a dinosaur. So, going to start off with, just here, you can do this. Potato, just think potato. It's okay if you go over the line, if you miss something, if it goes a bit wonky, do not worry, all is good. And then what you want to do is just here, you're going to do like a rainbow shape. So just like a little curve. Put it up there. And then do a really cool cartoon eye. Just a little shape like that. And then we're going to do a little roundy bit. And then another roundy bit. It's quite nice to do, like some people put circles in there to make it look like just one circle, just to make it look like it's light coming out. And then we're going to do a nose that looks a bit like a teardrop. Look kind of cute when you do that. So you've got that teardrop, then the mouth. Now just touch about there, and you're going to go da da da. So just a line like that. That's all you need, a line. Then you're going to go. So if I did that too quickly, you want a line. So a line. And then just do a shape like that. If you can't do that, do the line and then go in a little bit, feed in, and then do the shape. So it's almost like a U shape, because all you're going to do now is just do like a little line there, and this is going to become a tongue. So he's got like a little cute tongue. And then here, let's just get the, I was going to do the Tipex, the rubber. We could just do this. We could just go. So if you haven't seen that, I'll draw it. I'll bring it a little bit closer. Kind of like that. So if you completely got confused, because it's easy when you do the details to get confused. Once you've done those two little lines, you just want another line to join there. Doesn't really matter too much because, there goes my rubber, my liquid rubber. We're going to rub out this bit. So whatever you have for the mouth, once you've rubbed out that line, which was your original potato, then you'll be cool. You will be cool. Okay, so now we're going to do this. We're going to touch the potato bit. And you're going to go down. Can you see how I've gone down and then a bit of a curve? You want quite a long neck, because think about, it's like a giraffe. Here we just want to do it a little bit more higher. So go up, draw a bobble, because it's like part of his head, and then next to that a little bobbly bit, because then you're going to get your rubber and you're going to rub out just this bit here. So that makes his head look less like rounded. You want it to look like it's got some form to it. So then go to about here. Here's fine, because you want quite a chunky neck. It's cartoon, remember, so it doesn't have to be realistic. And then you're going to go down. Now this bit becomes interesting, because we're going to make a big baked bean. So what we have to do is we're going to continue and join up to there. So if you can, just join up. Don't worry too much, just join it up. Join it up. Then all you need to do is here, where that join is, I want to do a little line, just because he looks more cute, I find. Now, we're going to rub out this bit. Just leave a little line, because it makes it look like he's got a bit of a neck, but at the same time it's not the whole thing. Now we're going to do a tail. Tail's so easy. So you're going to touch just a bit there, about at the end there, and just go like a U shape, and then you're going to go so you're just kind of doing a big U shape, go back, and then we're going to do some legs. So we're going to do this. They've got really chunky, cute legs. So we're going to go, hopefully you can see this. Right, we're going to do this. We're going to touch there, and you're going to go down. And then you're going to leave quite a big gap. I would say, depending on the how big your picture is, I would say maybe like 2 fingers, because you're going to go, so there's one leg. Can you see it's not a straight line? It's kind of a wobbly line like that. And then at the end, going to go a big nice foot. So do the same there, chunky foot. So then leave a gap here. So what you've got is big chunky leg, and then next to that chunky leg, a little chunky leg that's behind the big one. Then you're going to rub out whatever's in the biggest leg. Can you see? It's like he looks so cute. Then he's got some toenails. So start off with 1, 2, 3. And then this you can't really see them because they're behind him, so it doesn't matter. Then you've got this big leg. So leave a gap, and you're going to go, and then what you want to do is try and get it as thick as that leg if you can. Bobbly bit. Then you kind of want to create so he's got a bit of a tummy that's a different colour. So what you're going to do is you're going to, I'd say, touch this bit here, and you're going to go down. Can you see I'm making another line? Down like that, through, and then stop. So what happens here is here we're going to do the other leg. So we just touch this bit here and just go like that. It doesn't have to be too detailed, it's fine. And then remember how we did those little toes. You can easily stop the video and start again to make it a bit easier for you. But what we want to do is get the rubber now. So just get your rubber. We're going to rub out whatever's in that leg and whatever's now in this leg, because we drew that second line, didn't we? This second line, do you know what? I did that wrong. We've got to rub out this. It's this that we're rubbing out. We're going to rub out that line, and we're going to add that line, because he's got this really cool body and the legs behind that body. Then we rub out where the tail is. Da, da, da. Now, how cute does he look? So you can call it anything you like. We could do a speech bubble. And I'm going to say, I'm going to do bubble writing, so you could practice your bubble writing. Hello. Woo! I've done bubble writing for a long time. Hello. Hopefully you can see this, because sometimes it's back to front on a video. My name is, what could it be? Fred. Good, awesome Fred. There you go. That'll be cool. Okay, so I'm going to go up a little bit more. Okay, so all we need to do now, I'm going to put some patterns on him. You can put anything you like. You can put spots, you can do crisscross. I don't know why, but I quite like doing this type of tiger shape for some reason. What you could do as well is you could do spikes on him if you want. There's nothing to stop you. So I am going to use, what should I use? I kind of like the idea of chalk. So I'm going to use chalk. These chalks, they're awesome. If you haven't got chalk, anything you like. Now, I like the idea of a pink dinosaur. I just do. Yeah, I'm going to do a pink dinosaur, I've decided. I have decided to do my pink dinosaur. So, let's do this a bit back. Right. What you need to do is, whatever colour you're going to do it, you need to do 3 of those colours. So I'm going to do it pink. So I need a pink, which I'm going to go as awesome fluorescent. I need a light pink, I need a medium pink, and I need a dark pink, which will probably be almost like red. You see those 3 different colour shades, like tones. So dark, medium, light. If you have green, you want dark green, medium green, light green. If you've only got 2 greens, that is fine. So I'm going to take my lightest pink, and I'm going to do it here. How cool is this pink? How cool is this pink? So I'm just smudging it, just like that. Oh, I love that pink. So once we've done that pink, I'm going to get my medium pink. This is the pink that all of him's going to be. So I'm just going to carefully, I'm even going to go over the lines, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to go over his toenails though. Oh, but how cool would that be? I could do like, he could have like blue toenails. That'd be really, really cool. I like the idea of that now, what I said that. Do you know what, I might give him some colourful toenails. Woo! Okay, remember to be neat. Now where my tip X is, just ignore it, because I did liquid eraser. Now I'm going to now smudge with my one little finger. So first of all, I'm going to smudge the lightest. I'm going to stain the line, blow it if I want. Looks like he's got shorts on because of the line. So just forget about my white line. I'm just smudging it all, blending it all up. You could give him a collar even, couldn't you? He could have a really cool collar. Just thinking, it's a shame that you can see the white, isn't it? But that'll be alright, I guess. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, are you with me? Right, what we need to do now is the darker colour. So what was that? That was my, like, super dark pink, wasn't it? It's kind of like that. Is it that? Or was it that? Do you know what? I think it was that one. It's like a purple. So with my dark one, that's where I'm going to put all my patterns. So whatever is my pattern, that's going to be my dark. So take your time doing the awesome patterns. You can have swirls, you can have hearts, you can have whatever you like. Now, the tongue, I'm going to do a different type of pink just so it's not the same as my dinosaur. So I've got this fluorescent pink that's slightly different from the other one. You could use anything, you could use an orange even. And then I want a blue eye, so I'm only colouring this bit blue. Just that bit. Now's the fun bit. I kind of want to colour his toenails. I'm going to do a green toenails. He's going to have awesome green toenails. Ta-da! Oh, love it. Right. Now this is the bit that makes it look awesome. We're going to get a very thin black. If you haven't got a thin black, just use a black. You could even use a watercolour pencil, but don't put the water on necessarily. I'm just going to smudge these though, because we didn't smudge it, did we? So we're going to blend these. Ah, there we are. I missed one, didn't I? You didn't tell me. Okay, black. With the black, got to be super careful. So we're going to do the eye. So let's just concentrate on the eye. Can you see I've coloured in there? Anything that's pencil lines, I'm now going to go over. So I'm going to show you close up what the eye looks like. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to do all the rest of them. So I'm going to colour the nose in. Then I'm going to go round the mouth. I quite like doing that. Just makes him look quite happy. And then round, bit of the tongue. Oh my, there, isn't it? Then, this is quite a lot to do. It's going to look great. So we're going to go round that shape. But here, there's no line, so just carry on. Whoa, I think it nearly broke. Oh man, I just went past the wrong line. Now when you get to the toenails, do not worry, just draw over them. You see, I'm just drawing over the pencil lines to make them stand out. The only reason you're doing the black is to make it stand out. You could do it with a very, very dark purple if you like, not a black. But I think black makes it stand out really awesome though. Okay, then I would do that line. So because it's a cartoon, it looks nice to have everything outlined. In real life, obviously you wouldn't have an outline, but it's not real life, so it's fine. We could do black around the patterns. I don't know if I want to though. I'd probably do black around here. Or you could have a colourful speech bubble. So we can have a bit of blue. Which is I'm going to smudge. Okay, now you want to get a nice look at that. Whoa, you want a nice clean finger now. So wash your hands if you need to, but you want a nice clean finger. You're going to do this. Get one finger, you're literally drawing over the line, and you're not taking your, well, you can take your finger off the page, but you're not blending, you're just drawing over the line. That's gone a bit messy for me, which is okay. So just make sure this softens the line. It looks really nice. Whew, it's getting messy as well, isn't it? I had a rubber somewhere, but I've lost that completely. So what you can do is, near the face is a bit tricky, the face. So if you feel a bit worried, you don't have to do the face necessarily. But here, and then smudge in. Hello, my name is Fred. Okay, so he's my friendly dinosaur. So you could have loads of them. You could have like a whole team of them. And then you could have him sitting on a rock. He could be sitting on a rock, or he could be sitting on some grass. With the girl that I just taught, I think there was a rainbow that we did behind, which was so lovely. It looked really cool actually because of all the colours. So there's the rock. Did that super fast. But just have a go, sign it at the end, see how you get on, and enjoy doing your dinosaur, your cartoon dinosaur. And I will see you tomorrow. Lots of love.